Today's topic is consumer's equilibrium with indifference curve technique. What is equilibrium? Where the point where consumer gets maximum satisfaction, that is consumer's equilibrium. Consumer purchases different combinations of goods with his given income. The point where consumer gets maximum satisfaction, that point can be termed as consumer's equilibrium. With the indifference curve analysis, today's topic is consumer's equilibrium with indifference curve analysis, a technique. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a situation, a condition, a situation when the consumer maximizes his satisfaction, getting maximum satisfaction or utility by spending his given income on different goods. He purchased number of goods in the market. In the IC curve analysis, there is a two goods, good X and good Y. The combination of good X and good Y can be represented by IC curve, IC1, IC2, IC. So the point where the consumer maximizes his satisfaction, consumer gets maximum satisfaction, that is equilibrium point. With this equilibrium helps to find out how the consumer spends his income on combination of good X and Y to get maximum satisfaction. So consumer's equilibrium is nothing but maximizing his satisfaction by given income. There are two conditions for getting equilibrium position of the consumer. One is budget line should be tangent to the IC curve. AB is the budget line. This IC1 curve is tangent to the budget line. Tangent means the line that touches to the budget line. So budget line should be tangent to the IC curve. Second condition is the IC curve must be convex to the origin. This is the origin. When we observe the shape of the curve, this should be convex. So first condition is tangent to the budget line. IC curve should be tangent. A budget line, this is the budget line, this is the IC curve. Budget line should be tangent to the IC curve, this condition. IC must be convex to the origin. When you observe the curve, should be convex. What is the equilibrium point? The point where the MRS, marginal rate of substitution of X for Y, that is maximum marginal utility of X by marginal utility of Y, that is equal to price X by price Y. So in this diagram, on Y-X axis, we measure the commodity X. On OY axis, we take commodity Y on OY axis. AB is the budget line. There are three different IC curves, higher IC curve, lower IC curve, and middle IC curve. IC curve is above the budget line, not possible to reach this point. This is below the budget line. There is a possibility of moving up. So the P is the point of consumer's equilibrium. ON is the commodity Y purchased by the consumer. OM is the commodity purchased by OM is the commodity X purchased by the consumer. So at point P, budget line should be tangent to the IC curve, is satisfied. IC must be convex to the origin, also satisfied. So marginal rate of substitution Px by Py. So what is equilibrium? How the consumer gets the maximum satisfaction? What are the conditions for getting consumer's equilibrium? What is marginal rate of substitution? All this should be explained for consumer's equilibrium by indifference curve technique.